MCN is a welcoming and candid community
of museum professionals passionate about
empowering museums to address challenges
and embrace opportunities within the evolving digital landscape.
Hi, I'm Adrienne Lawley Hills, one of the program co-chairs for the conference and manager of digital learning at the Nelson Atkins Museum of Art.
I'm Catherine Devine, program co-chair of Museum Computer Network and chief digital officer of the American Museum of Natural History in New York.
And I'm Rob Weisberg, third program co-chair and senior project manager of publications and editorial at the Met.
This year, we worked with the program committee
to come up with this year's theme of Humanizing the Digital.
We're exploring the ways in which the human qualities of collaboration,
creativity,
and empathy,
as well as the humanities disciplines themselves,
advance the digital transformation of the cultural sector.
We'll be examining some burning topics
like the ethics and responsibilities of museums in the digital age
and public communications and advocacy.
At the same time, we're continuing important conversations about digital leadership and strategy,
as well as practical solutions to everyday technology problems.
Of course, these conversations won't be possible without your session ideas.
The call for proposals
closes Monday, April 30th.
We've made some changes to streamline and simplify
the submissions process this year.
So make sure to take a look at
mcn.edu before you submit.
Happy submitting,
and we look forward to seeing your session,
workshop, and Ignite Talk proposals soon.